In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make an income as a coach and affiliate marketer because you can actually combine both. That way you are having multiple streams of income, and not only is your business going to grow, but your wealth is going to grow as well in multiple ways, which is better than one. If you are new to this channel, my name is Shannon Eddins. I am a business clarity coach and mom of 2 girls. What you can expect from this channel is how to start up a profitable coaching business, even as a busy mom with kids at home. And we'll go over time management. We'll go over how to grow organically on social media, such as Facebook, Instagram. I'll even throw in some YouTube and TikTok and other platforms as well that I do use, but my primary two are Facebook and Instagram at the moment, although I am expanding. Now, getting into the video, how do you make an income as a coach and affiliate marketer? Because those are 2 different things, and it can be kind of hard to really figure out, like, how do I separate it? How do I combine it? Like, what am I going to do to make sure people don't get confused as to what it is that you're doing? Because when you have different things that you're selling or different things that you're doing in your business, it can confuse some people. And since I am a business clarity coach, I go over more clarity on these things because it's really important. Confusion equals people not paying for your services because they don't understand. And when people don't understand something, they don't really try to figure it out if it's not something they're 100% committed to. And this makes sense. I mean, a lot of us, we go around and we do all this research, but if we have to do tons of research to figure out what it is that somebody is doing, we're not going to take the time to do that if we already don't see, the value in it. If we don't even understand what it is or what the value of it is to us, like, how does it benefit us? What are we going to gain from this? So that's why you have to know the first thing, which is what I'm going to go over, which is what kind of a coach are you? So what do you coach about? What kind of coaching services do you offer specifically? And who is going to best benefit from the services that you are offering? So this is the first thing you need to think about, and I highly recommend writing all these questions down and then going over them and actually writing out the answers and looking over it. Now, this is going to be the beginning, of the foundations of your business. And as you grow, your business is going to evolve. But when you know the core of your business, which would be, what is your business for? Like, why are you doing it? Who is it you're wanting to help? Why are you wanting to help these people? And you want to have a foundation for your business no matter how your business transforms and changes. So, for example, the core of my business specifically has always been to help moms and women. I am all for helping moms and women work from home, to make an income, to do something that they are passionate about in their life, and to prioritize themselves. Because many moms can feel lost in motherhood or want to be a stay-at-home mom, but they don't know how to be or what options they might have because financially they just can't do it. And that's why I want to be here. So why do you want to be here? Why do you want to be a coach? Is it just because you want to work from home? Is that the main reason why? Do you not know what kind of a coach you are? So if you aren't sure what kind of a coach you are, let me know in the comments if you're a little bit confused on your niche, if you've heard what that means, or confused on what you coach about, so that we can kind of, dive in and figure out what that is. So if you need any support on that, definitely write down in the comments what you're confused about, and we can go over that, or I can create another video if I get enough people that are asking questions about these things. So once you know what kind of coach you are and who is going to best benefit from your services, what is the next step to coaching and then adding affiliate marketing to your coaching business? Make sure that you love and use the products from whatever companies and marketing, that you're going to be doing, and that you actually know what these things are. You have done your research, especially on the companies, because you as a business owner, since you are separate, I don't know why I said almost separate. I'm creating new words here. So, since your business and you are separate from this other entity, from this other business that you are being an affiliate for and marketing for, you really want to make it clear, that you are marketing products that you love. So always use, disclaimers. Make sure that you say above any links that you are, using these affiliate links of products that you love, and that you may be compensated, and things like that, so that people, understand, oh, it's an affiliate link, and I'm not going to get charged extra or anything like that, but also to legally protect you, because you do have to use disclaimers. And let's see what else. All right, so once you do your research of these companies, after that, you're going to decide, how do you actually market this stuff with your coaching business? Like, what kind of content are you going to be sharing that is going to allow you to actually market these products or these services? So for instance, you need to look over what kind of content you are creating first, which is kind of what I want to go over a little bit. So let me know down in the comments, what kind of content are you currently creating, and what is it really centered around? What I mean by this, and I keep saying centered around and everything, is because your business is going to be centered around something or someone, or like a group of people. Now, what is it that these people want to see or hear, or what would they benefit from? So for instance, since I help moms specifically, and I love to go shopping for clothes and stuff, I could become an affiliate marketer for certain clothing companies, or even just Amazon in general, and then just share links to products that I really love, like maybe my jeans or my really stretchy leggings, which I actually have a pair on right now that I really love, from Bells, which I love shopping at thrift stores, at Bells, at Amazon, at tons of different places. And there are different affiliate marketing companies for different things. But keep in mind, when you shop, that could be an affiliate link that you could share depending on what the product is, where you bought it from. Maybe the same exact product that you bought at one place is an affiliate link for like Amazon or something. Maybe you didn't buy it on Amazon directly, but they have the exact same product by the exact same distributor on there, which you have to make sure it's the same one. And then you can do that. And once you figure out, what you're going to share, and then adding those affiliate links in, then it's just going to streamline things. You're going to be getting, affiliate marketing. You're going to be getting people interested in your coaching stuff too. And going from there to growing in multiple ways. which is a really good thing because when you are starting as a coach and you're trying to grow, it can be hard to grow when you're only focused on one way to make money and then it doesn't work out that way. Or like you're not getting the success right away. So then you start going and searching for all these different things and losing focus and burning out. I've seen it happen a lot. I've done it myself, and it is not a fun thing. I'm going to be making another video about avoiding burnout as a coach because there are a lot of things you can do to burn out real quick, and I want to help you avoid that. So let's see. Another thing I want to say is make it less a business and more of a lifestyle. Now, what does this mean? I see a lot of people that are making their business their posts and everything is just either all about their business or it's just all very businessy and not really lifestyle related or anything that people are going to relate to. Or it's only relatable stuff and not any business stuff. Now, it's good to have a mix. It's good to mix it up, to have things in there that are lifestyle, that are business, that are relatable and entertaining, that are going to lead these people somewhere. Why are you on the internet? What is going to, attract the people that you're wanting to reach? And if you're not reaching them right now with the kind of social media that you are posting, then affiliate marketing may not be for you right at the moment, but it can help. It can help to get more used to posting, about your offers and stuff, because for some reason, I don't know what it is, but when I first got started 2 years ago, affiliate marketing did not really feel to me like I was being salesy. Like, do you ever go and share like a Starbucks drink that you love and be like, hey, I love this Starbucks drink, you should try it, tell your friends about it. And they're like, oh my gosh, I need to. They're like, oh, it looks so good. And to me, like sharing my link to a product I really love that I've actually bought and used, it doesn't feel salesy to me. And when I started my coaching business, then I was sharing my own offers, like my own stuff that I created. And, nobody else has really tried it when you're first beginning and you're kind of like, oh, I don't want to be too salesy. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. And then you just kind of don't share. So if you're struggling with that, then doing the affiliate marketing can really help you get out of that mindset of not wanting to be salesy, and just not knowing, what you should share. So I think it'd be a great way to get started with all of that too. And I am going to do another video about actually like sharing your business and what kind of content you could create as a coach, because I know a lot of people have certain questions and struggles about actually marketing their business. So let me know down in the comments, what kind of struggles do you have when it comes to creating content for your business or sharing your offer or your services? Like, what is it that you feel is holding you back? Or what is it that you feel like you just don't understand about the process? So that way we can go over it, we can brainstorm, and I can get you all more videos out there on what content you really need help with. So that way I can help you best. So I will see you in the next video. I am going to have some videos over here for you to check out and see if there's anything else that you would like to watch that is related to anything you have questions on. And I can't wait to support you all through this journey because it is an amazing journey. Don't forget, I almost forgot, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to send me a message